Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you the materials you can use for bag making. I'll be talking about the fabric alone. So guys, these are materials that I use for my clutch purses. Guys, these are very high quality materials and you can get it in China. So this is called African print. It is called African print, and in Nigeria it is called Ankara. So you can use all this to make your bags, your fashion bags, your fashion purses, clutch purses. You can use it to even make clutch purses. This is called Ashoke in Nigeria. It is called Ashoke. So guys, I'll be making use of this material to make a nice fashion bag soon. And this is called Lucina fabric. It is a very nice material, and I'm going to show you guys a picture of the bag that's actually made it with. So guys, please make sure you watch this to the end. Just watch it to the end. And also guys, please don't forget to subscribe. So this is another Lucina fabric, and it's of high quality. And if you want to get it per I think 6 yard is 25,000 naira for 6 yard. It is very, very quality, and it is very, very nice. This is actually Ashoke here. If you go and watch some of my videos, you will see this particular fabric, which I actually turned to a bag. So please guys, go and watch some of my tutorials to watch how I turn all this fabric into a bag. So guys, this is a display of all my bags that I've done with all this fabric. So guys, please enjoy this lovely video, and please don't forget to comment and don't forget to like my videos. So guys, this is a jean mixed with Ankara crossbody bag, and this is this is a jean material mixed with adire. Adire is it's a Nigeria fabric name, so it is called adire. The name of this fabric is called adire in Nigeria. So I mix it with jean to make a lovely fashion purse. And this is a clutch purse. It's a pleated double pleated clutch purse. So I make use of a fabric, and this fabric is, you can get it here in Nigeria. You can only get it in China, and it's of high quality. And also this, you can only get the material in China, because a lot of you come to my DM to ask me, Khembuzz, please, where can I get this material and all that. You can only get all this material. You can hardly get this type of material here in Nigeria. You can only purchase this material in China. So guys, this is actually a dust bag where you keep your bag. And guys, the material for this dust bag, you can use any material. You can use your lining, but make sure it's actually a thick lining. So basically guys, this material here is called is a thick lining and it is cotton. So if you want to do your dust bag, you make use of thick lining. So guys, this is my upcoming project. Still working on this. Stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be very nice. So guys, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you click on the notification button for more updates, for more videos. Guys, this tutorial has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. Thank you so much. I love you all and God bless you.